happens when you pack over 700 horsepower into a family SUV? You get the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, a fire-breathing beast that hauls more than just groceries. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, and today, we're diving into one of the most outrageous and surprisingly practical SUVs on the market. Design. Let's start with the looks. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat hasn't gone subtle. It's wide, bold, and unmistakably aggressive. The front fascia has been refreshed with sharper lines, updated LED lighting, and a more pronounced grille that screams performance. Dodge kept it muscular without going over the top, just enough to turn heads in any parking lot. Performance. Now, here's where things get wild. Under the hood sits a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 pushing out a mind-blowing 710 horsepower. 0 to 60? Just over 3.5 seconds. In an SUV. It's insane, but what's more impressive is how composed it feels. The all-wheel drive system grips hard, the suspension's been retuned for better balance, and it handles corners way better than something this size should. Features and technology. Inside, it's a nice mix of muscle and modern. You've got suede and leather sport seats, a 10.1-inch Uconnect touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system. Dodge also added a customizable digital cluster and performance pages so you can track your 0 to 60 times, G-forces, and more. It's not just powerful, it's smart, too. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat practical? Kinda. Necessary? Definitely not. But fun? Oh yeah. It's the kind of vehicle that makes no sense, and that's exactly why we love it. What do you think, dream SUV or over-the-top madness? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with a fellow car enthusiast, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more unfiltered takes on the latest rides. See you in the next one.